Upgrade your kitchen with the Lodge 75-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven in stunning Caribbean blue. This isn't just cookware. It's a statement piece. Its vibrant color adds a touch of elegance while delivering exceptional performance. Imagine creating unforgettable meals, from hearty stews to perfectly roasted vegetables, with superior heat distribution and retention. The porcelain enamel interior is incredibly smooth, minimizing sticking and making cleanup a breeze. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, durable enough for everyday use, and even dishwasher-safe, though hand-washing is recommended for ultimate care. This family-owned company, with a legacy spanning over 125 years, crafts this masterpiece with non-toxic, PFOA and PTFE-free materials. The Lodge Dutch oven is more than just a pot. It's an investment in quality, durability, and delicious meals for years to come. Ready to elevate your culinary creations? Visit our product page today and order your Lodge 75-quart enameled cast iron Dutch.